Welcome back to another video of Ithought PMS Factsheet. December did not feel like an ending, it felt like a pause. After a year that moved through optimism, volatility, corrections and recovery, markets chose to slow down rather than celebrate. And in many ways, that is an honest reflection of how investing really works. Not every year ends with fireworks, some end with quiet progress. And I thought we see that as a positive. It allows portfolios built on fundamentals to show their real character, not in sharp rallies, but in how they hold together when excitement fades. Across our equity strategies, December reflected this mood. Let us cover each product one by one. Solitaire closed the month lower by 1.18%, yet continued to show why it remains a core portfolio for long-term investors. Its strength lies not only in monthly investments, but also in consistency, delivering over 21% across the 3-year and the since inception framework. With more than 3/4 of its holdings in debt-free companies and a low beta of 0.76, the portfolio continues to prioritize resilience. Its steady exposure to consumer businesses, autos, financials, and capital goods positions it to benefit when growth returns without taking on excess risk along the way. If you would like to invest in this portfolio, get in touch with us. Next, large caps too shows stability over speed. TrueBlue slipped marginally by 0.38% in December, closely tracking the broader large cap space. Over time, however, it has continued to do exactly what it was designed to do, deliver steady compounding with lower volatility. With returns of 15.73 over 3 years and close to 12.78 since inception, TrueBlue's approach of selectively owning leaders within the Nifty 50 continues to reward patience. And in a year where chasing momentum often proved costly, this restraint mattered. So if you would like to invest in the bluest of blue chips, get in touch with us today. The small cap space remained the most testing part of the market in 2025, and Vriddhi reflected that reality. December saw a 2.8% decline, extending a period of correction. Yet this phase has not altered the portfolio's foundation. Vriddhi has compounded close to 19% over 3 years and since inception, backed by businesses that are largely debt-free and often under-researched. These are companies that tend to be rediscovered, not immediately rewarded. Periods like this are uncomfortable, but they are also where long-term small cap returns are usually shaped. So if you would like to be invested in niche businesses and under-researched businesses, Vriddhi is your go-to. Get in touch with us today. While equity slowed, diversification quietly worked in the background. Sphere ended December up 3.1%, closing the year with a strong 32.7% return. Over 3 years, it has compounded at 27.97%, reinforcing the role of asset allocation in smoothing outcomes. By moving between equities, debt, global assets, and precious metals, Sphere did not rely on any single trend to perform. Instead, it adapted, and that adaptability proved valuable in a year that rarely moved in straight lines. So if you are an investor that's looking for a multi-asset approach and diversification, Sphere is a product for you. Don't forget to get in touch today. Now for global investors, NEO also continued to offer that same balance as Sphere. A 2.25% gain in December capped a year of steady progress with returns of nearly 24% for the year and over 25% since inception in 2022. Its structure, combining Indian equities with precious metals and debt, allowed it to stay invested without being overly exposed to any one risk. In a year of global uncertainty, that balance mattered more than ever. So if you are an NRI looking for a suitable product, this one's just for you. Don't forget to get in touch with us today. Now, as 2025 comes to a close and we have started another wonderful year in the markets, the lesson is not about timing entries or predicting markets. It's about construction, building portfolios that can stay invested without constant intervention. At Ithought, our PMS strategies are designed with that belief at their core. We step into the new year not chasing what worked last, but staying committed to what works over time. Quality businesses, thoughtful diversification, and the discipline to let compounding do its job. We hope you've had a wonderful year and journey with Ithought PMS in 2025. We hope to ride this journey next year and more years to come. Stay tuned as we come to you with the next fact sheet.